All right, my beautiful sister, I just love your smile. I bet every all the Ghanaian men want to marry you, right?
No comment.
Don't comment. But you only been here for a few days, so it'll creep up on
A
you.
few wonderful days.
I'm sure they're all looking and working on their game plan.
Oh, please.
So you enjoying your waterfall experiences?
I am. I just want to jump in.
This is stage 2 now. Stage 1.
How many stages do we have?
Hopefully no more than 8.
Okay. I love water, so I can do 8.
So don't you feel like you just want to jump into the
Honestly,
stream of water?
When I was over there, I wanted to just go under it and do this. But then again, I have to, do this. But I have to get on the bus, so
But it's gonna mess their hair up. I thought women didn't want to get their hair wet.
It's true. It's true. I'm getting carried away. It's Africa.
So you're ready to get in nature? Yes, family. This is Ecology Central. From the monkey sanctuary to the waterfalls.
And hold it.
I got that. Let me do it. Now.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yeah.
Over instruction. Okay, now, let me get the button. I got
Yes, Ross Marvin.
Yes,
You're reminiscing about your days back in Jamaica. You used to take a shower onto the waterfalls.
And may I tell you, Dunn Rivers Fall, but this is Ghana Waterfalls. What is it called again? Waterfalls.
Kintampo.
Kintampo.
Roger.
Yes, I.
Push it down.
And we're gonna.
I just did. That's so cute. Okay, now come
Brother Ryan, how you feeling? You ready to take a swim in the waterfall?
I'm ready for the swim.
Count to 3. 1.
This cool, fresh water coming down from these hills. Ice cold water. This is nice, cool. Very nice. Gotta experience this. Once in a life.
No, let me see them before you break. No.